there's a moment toxic people don't warn you about. It's not when you fight back. It's not when you cry. It's not even when you leave. It's the moment they realize they can't predict you anymore. That's when their power collapses. And today, I'm breaking down 6 silent behaviors that do exactly that. No confrontation, no drama, no explaining. Behavior number 3 is so invisible. Most toxic people don't even know why they suddenly feel weak around you. Let's take their control away, quietly. 1. Become someone their words can't live inside. Toxic people don't just insult you. They move in. They replay their words in your head long after they're gone. That's how they stay powerful. So here's the shift. You stop storing their sentences, not pretending to forget, actually not saving the file. They say something cruel on Monday. By Wednesday, your nervous system doesn't even remember it mattered. When they bring it up again, expecting pain, you pause and say, "Wait, what?" That confusion on your face, that's panic in their chest. Because their control depends on memory. When there's nothing to reopen, they lose access. 2. Turn silence into pressure. Toxic people survive on noise, arguments, explanations, reactions. They expect you to fill the space. So you don't. You listen. You stay still. You respond with almost nothing. I see. Okay. Your silence becomes a mirror. And when people hear themselves clearly, they don't like what they see. They'll talk more, say worse things, push harder. You stay calm, because performing without an audience is exhausting. Be the empty room. 3. Stop living inside their reality. Toxic people don't need you to agree with them. They need you to live inside their version of events, their victim story, their enemies, their drama. So you quietly exit, not arguing, not correcting, not debating. They say, "Everyone's against me." You think, "That's your story, not my home." They say, "You don't understand." You think, "I don't need to." And suddenly, they can't shape how you see them anymore. That's when manipulation fails, because control requires shared reality, and you're not there. 4. Become happy without explaining why. This one hurts them the most. Toxic people want to be necessary. They want your mood attached to their attention. So when you're okay without them, not pretending, genuinely okay, their system crashes. You laugh more. You relax. You stop waiting. No announcements. No posts. No speeches. Just peace. And nothing terrifies a controlling person more than someone who doesn't need them anymore. 5. Stop reacting to shock. Toxic people test boundaries by shocking you. Cruel comments, public embarrassment, sudden drama. They're watching your face. So you stop flinching, not because you're numb, but because you're grounded. Your energy doesn't spike. Your expression doesn't change. They try bigger moves. You stay steady, and eventually they realize, this person can't be rattled. That's fear. 6. Improve after they leave. Here's the final break. They expect collapse, sadness, regret, crawling back. Instead, you expand. You sleep better, think clearer, grow faster, and you don't advertise it. They just notice. Through mutual friends, through time, through absence, your life didn't end. It upgraded. And that forces them to confront the truth. They weren't essential. They were replaceable. Pick one behavior this week. Just one. Some toxic people will get confused. Some will push harder. Some will disappear. That's not a loss. That's proof. Subscribe if this shifted something in you. And go become the person toxic people can't control, can't predict, and can't survive around.